Excavator. Excavator. Excavator are heavy construction machines that are designed to dig and move large quantities of soil, rock, and other materials. They typically consist of a long arm or boom with a digging bucket at the end, which is used to scoop up and move soil or other materials. Wheel loader. Wheel loader. A wheel loader, also known as a front-end loader, is a heavy equipment machine that is primarily used in construction, mining, and other industrial applications. Wheel loaders are designed to scoop up and move materials, such as soil, gravel, sand, and rocks. Bulldozer. Bulldozer. Bulldozer is a powerful heavy equipment machine that is primarily used in construction, mining, and demolition applications. The machine is designed to push and move large amounts of soil, sand, rock, and other materials, using a large metal blade attached to the front of the machine. Forklift. Forklift. Forklift, also known as a lift truck or fork truck, is a type of industrial equipment that is used to lift and move heavy materials over short distances. It consists of a hydraulic lifting mechanism, a pair of forks or blades that can be raised and lowered, and a counterweight to balance the load being carried. Dump truck. Dump truck. A dump truck is a type of heavy-duty truck that is designed to transport and unload materials, such as soil, gravel, sand, and rocks. It typically consists of a large open bed or container, called a dump body or bed, that can be raised at an angle or tilted to one side to release the materials. Motor grader. Motor grader. A motor grader, also known as a road grader or simply a grader, is a heavy equipment machine that is primarily used in road construction and maintenance projects. It is designed to create a flat and level surface by smoothing and shaping the road surface using a large, curved blade mounted on the bottom of the machine. Backhoe loader. Backhoe loader. Backhoe loader, also known as a backhoe or loader backhoe, is a versatile piece of heavy equipment that combines the functions of a loader and a backhoe. The machine consists of a tractor-like unit with a front-mounted loader bucket and a rear-mounted digging attachment, called a backhoe, that is used for digging and excavating. Asphalt paver. Asphalt paver. An asphalt paver is a machine that is used to lay asphalt for road construction and other paving projects. The machine consists of a hopper that holds the asphalt mixture, a conveyor that moves the mixture to the front of the machine, and a screed that spreads and levels the mixture to create a smooth and even surface. Articulated truck. Articulated truck. An articulated truck, also known as an articulated hauler, is a heavy-duty vehicle that is designed for off-road use in construction, mining, and other industrial applications. The truck consists of a tractor unit, which is articulated or hinged to a trailer, and is capable of carrying heavy loads over rough terrain. Scraper. Scraper. Scraper is a heavy equipment machine that is used in large-scale earth-moving and construction projects. The machine consists of a tractor unit and a scraper bowl that is used to excavate and transport materials, such as soil, rock, and gravel. The tractor unit of the wheeled tractor scraper is equipped with a powerful engine. Haul truck. Haul truck. A haul truck, also known as a dump truck or a heavy-duty truck, is a large vehicle that is designed for off-road use in mining, construction, and other industrial applications. The truck is equipped with a dump body or a bed that is used to transport heavy loads, such as rocks, ore, and dirt. Telehandler. Telehandler. A telehandler, also known as a telescopic handler or a telehandler forklift, is a versatile machine that is used in construction, agriculture, and other industrial applications. The machine is similar to a forklift, but it is equipped with a telescopic boom that can extend forward and upward to reach high places and lift heavy loads. Hydraulic mining shovel. Hydraulic mining shovel. A hydraulic mining shovel, also known as a hydraulic excavator, is a heavy-duty machine that is used in mining and construction applications. The machine uses a hydraulic system to power its digging and lifting operations, making it highly efficient and powerful.